This video shows you a number of different approaches to creating data in FlexVertex. We'll also point you at the hands-on exercises that you can try on your own. FlexVertex ships with a comprehensive demonstration database. This sample information will be used extensively in the upcoming data querying unit. Since we don't want you to inadvertently overwrite or delete objects that will be used later, we'll create some example classes for the data creation, update, and deletion videos. These new classes are related to the mainline demonstration database, but you can experiment with their data without interfering with other examples. Follow the instructions on the next few slides to access your private FlexVertex instance and run the samples. In the next few minutes, we'll show you data creation examples for each of the conduits you see on the screen. Some you'll be able to run directly, while others are found in different FlexVertex training classes. Note that we'll be showing you interactive examples, but you can also run these programmatically. Also, to run these or any other FlexVertex commands, you'll need to establish a connection to your database instance, including specifying the domain, nexus, and schema that you're working with. Your demonstration FlexVertex login is pre-configured to use the appropriate ones for the sample database. Voyager is the simple yet innovative FlexVertex language that lets you carry out just about any data definition, manipulation, or query activity. We're starting this portion of the course with a Voyager example, because we'll be creating some sample classes and then populating them with data. Later, we can use SQL or REST to work with those newly created classes. You could also create your classes using any FlexVertex API. As before, follow the instructions on the next few slides to access sample Voyager data creation scripts. Our SQL implementation integrates familiar syntax for seamless data interaction. It supports full create, read, update, and delete operations on both standard and embedded objects, all managed by a fine-grained authorization system. Users can leverage a rich function library, named parameters, Boolean conditions, list filtering, and arrays. This powerful SQL option works alongside FlexVertex's Voyager navigation language and all APIs, offering an efficient and intuitive way to explore and manipulate data. However, it's important to note that despite this power, you'll probably utilize a blend of SQL and Voyager or the APIs for tasks such as establishing connections and traversing the data multiverse. The next few slides show you where to find SQL data creation scripts to run. FlexVertex offers an expansive REST API that makes it easy to create and locate data objects. You may elect to directly inline SQL via the GET command, or use POST to transmit JSON documents consisting of between one and many individual objects. On this screen, you can see a single object being created by the POST command. Earlier in this video, you worked with a sample Voyager script. What you'll probably notice from this small Java snippet is that the two languages are very similar in appearance. However, on the whole, Voyager is much simpler and requires far fewer lines of code to be productive. Nevertheless, it's important to note that you're free to create objects directly in Java, by invoking SQL from Java, or by calling a Voyager script from within your Java application. Adding data objects is just the first step on your FlexVertex journey. The real power of your data multiverse comes from establishing connections between objects, thereby enabling far-reaching traversals across all of your information. The next video will show you how to create connections.